Hello world, this is my final project for CS50x. The title of my project is The Eco Car. So my name is Aarush Jain and I am 9 years old. I live in Chandigarh, India. I study in grade 4. First, basics of C, JavaScript and Python, Blockly, MIT App Inventor and courses on code.org. So, I made my final project for CS50x on Scratch platform by using its various functions like motions, looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operators, variables, lists, my blocks, text to speech extension. So in this project, one day Aarush, Chaitanya and David were walking in front of a bakery at Hampshire Lane. There were two cars emitting a lot of pollution. Then David felt suffocated and started coughing. Because of the harmful gases emitted by those cars, all three friends started discussing about it. That how they could help in solving the serious problem of air pollution. Chaitanya suggested that they should plant more trees. After that, Arush introduces his dream project of the eco car to his friends. So, the eco car can talk and has many more special abilities, like it uses pollution by sucking harmful gases from the surroundings as fuel to run. It also emits oxygen as a waste product which is required by humans to breathe. Benefits of the eco car. This would prove to be a revolution in the world and will really help to solve the problem of air pollution. Then, then Arush asks the user if they want to buy this car. Now the user has two choices to type in, yes or no. If the user replies yes, then Arush would be asking them for a few details, like to select and enter the color of the car from the list of the available colors provided which they want to buy. Then he will ask to select and enter the country from the list of countries provided in which they want the delivery of the car. And then the last, to select and enter currency from the list given in which the user wants to make the payment. After getting all the above details, it will display the total cost of the car to the user. But if the user replies no, then it greets the user by saying bye and ends the project. So there are four validations too. First, if user enters a wrong input in yes or no in the buy screen. Then, if the user enters a color that is not available in the list, it will prompt the user for a valid input. Then, if a user enters a wrong input about the country, it will prompt the user to enter a country for delivery of the car and from the list until it gets a valid input of the country. And then in the last, in the currency screen, if the user enters a wrong currency as an input, it will prompt the user to enter valid currency from the list provided in which they want to make the payment in order to buy the car. So let me show you my project. Let me show you the working of my final project.
So much pollution. Hey guys, how should we stop air pollution?
We should plant more and more trees.
Yes, but in addition to this, I have been working on a project to save our Mother Earth from air pollution. Introducing you, my pollution-sucking car, the Eco Car. It can talk also. Hi, Eco Car.
Hi Aarush, how are you?
I'm fine. Can you please give a brief introduction about you to my friends?
Sure. Hello, I am the Eco Car. I am the environmental friendly car because I suck harmful gases from the surroundings and use it as fuel to run.
Amazing.
Nice. Thanks everyone. I also emit oxygen as a waste product which is required by humans to breathe.
Marvelous.
Wow. Thanks once again.
Would you like to buy this car? Yes or no?
Now it asks that whether we want to buy this car or not. Wherever I enter no, it will go to the buy screen, greet the user, and end the project. This time, if I enter a wrong input, that is not yes or no,
Please enter yes or no. Would you like to buy this car? Yes or no?
this time, if I enter yes,
Please select and enter the color you want the car to be in from the list.
it will ask for the color. If I enter a color that is not available in the list, if I enter indigo,
Sorry, indigo color is not available. Please select and enter the color you want the car to be in from the list.
so it will ask again. This time, if I enter valid input, blue,
Please select a country from the list in which you want this car to be delivered.
if I enter a country that is not mentioned in the list for delivery, Korea.
So sorry. We are currently only delivering in the countries given in the list and not in Cambodia. Do you want to buy this car in any country mentioned in the list? Yes or no?
Then it is asking that whether the user wants to buy this car in any other country. If I enter yes,
Please select a country from the list in which you want this car to be delivered.
then this time, for example, I enter USA.
Please select a currency from the list in which you want to make the payment.
Then it will ask for the currency in which we want to make the payment. If I enter a wrong currency,
Sorry, we can't recognize HTTPS as a currency. Please select a currency from the list in which you want to make the payment.
now this time if I enter valid currency, for example, dollar,
You have selected the car color, blue. Country for delivery, USA. Total cost will be $9,280,000. We will reach back to you soon. Okay then. See you next time. Bye.
so this was my final project for CS50x.